Hi David, this is Gary. This is the truck and everything's been done to it, as you can see. I got it. In fact, I'll tell you what happened, what the deal was. A friend of mine, Benny, from Louisiana, likes to drive around, and he has friends with the mayor and all that stuff in New Orleans, and he drives them around, and he wanted my Azure convertible with 31,000 miles on it. And I've never been in this kind of a vehicle in my entire life, and Benny said, you know, it's a the hell is it, a 440 something Thunderbird, and it's with a height of the 3 special cams you get. This has got the highest cam, and it's a wonderful piece. Everything's there, everything works. You can see, just dust from, I haven't put 50 miles on it, and since I got it, that's been a couple of years now. But this is it. The only thing that we found that I didn't like on it is this piece right here has got a little bit of bumps on it and crap, so it would have to be replaced. But other than that, everything is there and working very well. I'll get in and light it up. When it sits after a couple of days, since it has air suspension, it drops down and it looks like you're looking at it and you're, what the hell's wrong with that thing? It's just the airbags, and you have to put 100 in the front and 60 in the back, get it up, then it's just fine. It stays that way for a couple, 3 days. It has electric seats, 5 positions in that over there. Climb on in there and you can show him all the stuff on this one. It really is an amazing old truck. It's just not my thing. But I did him a favor and I said, yeah, I said, what the hell, I'll get out of it. We got bills on the thing of almost 50,000 bucks that he spent on the damn stuff. With no, you know, it's just, there it is. It's all the leather, all of this is done. This is your instrument deal right here. That light goes out. It's got Bluetooth and all sorts of special crap. Has absolutely everything except air conditioning. But that's all that it doesn't have. It's all these special arms and the bags and the little things to, you know, all comfort and everything else, all go. Electric windows. Oh, well, they work. You just do this and it's with a power up and they go right up and down. That works. Everything's there. So anyway, this is it. It has one peculiarity that I don't particularly know about and don't like Andreas is on the camera here. It seems that it clunks when you're driving it, and it may be, you tell them about it, Andreas. Yeah, put it to you, you know.
Yeah, it might be some of the articulated bushings in the suspension at the bottom of the airbag, so maybe that holds the A-arm.
May need grease.
So maybe lubricated. We don't have a lift. It would be nice to put it on the lift and go and look a visual inspection on that. And
I did just talk to Benny, the guy that I got it from, and I have a complete clear title. Everything's clear, signed off, not dated. And we asked him about it. He said, well, he just had everything redone on the airbags and all that. It was all brand new again. And and then he sold it to me. I got it. And then all of a sudden, I'm hearing that noise. I don't know what it is. And this is not my deal, so I just really don't drive it. Electric antenna. It's got all the stuff that you can imagine. If you haven't, show them the front end of this thing. Special headlights, special everything. Well, there it is.
you have tons of paperwork with a lot of build-up sheets.
Every build, photographs, it's a stack that's this high in a field. Every photograph, it was done by a fellow well, it doesn't matter where, but it was his special thing, and he's a...
It was like a 6-year-old build or something.
Yeah, 6-year build, and it was about 45,000 bucks in actual cost of doing it, not counting any labor. And then since then, there's been a little bit more spent on it. But it's, you know, it's damn good all the way around, you know. And it comes with all that. I'll send you this, and you let me know what you want to do. Because I got a guy that I can get it probably to you. Okay? That's it, David.